Hello, my name is Cindy Carver from Second Life, and I decided to do this tutorial because there's obviously not a lot of updated tutorials on how to do much of anything photography-wise for Second Life, especially for Gimp. So let's go ahead and get started, and today we are taking out the green screen. Now, first thing you want to go ahead and do is hit your selection tool, your rectangle selection tool, and then just kind of outline your subject. Doesn't have to be necessarily perfect, but you do want to make sure that the entirety of the subject that you intend on working on is selected. Now click in the middle of that to finalize your selection, and then you want to hit Control X and then Control V. And the main reason to do this is so that later on you'll have the alpha channel. If you don't do this, then you're just going to have a background and it's going to be white or black or whatever color your background color is, and that's not going to be helpful at all. So now you're going to have this floating selection pasted layer. And what you want to do is just hit create new layer, and now you have these almost standstill marching ants where your selection was, and that just basically shows you that everything has been selected. See? And now you want to hit select by color tool, and then hit anywhere where the green screen is. And then you hit delete. Now, we're almost done, but there's a slight problem which I will direct you to right here. See where it outlines and you still have like an almost green outline? Well, there's a very easy way to get rid of that. So we're going to go ahead and right click on our pasted layer, and then we're going to go ahead and do alpha to selection. Go to select, then hit shrink. Now the default value for this is going to be 1, but I went ahead and put it at a 2. That way, I don't know, it just works better in my opinion to do it at a 2. But you really don't want to go any more than 3 on that. Go ahead and click OK, and then you want to go ahead and hit select again, invert, and then go ahead and hit delete, and that deleted the outline. But we still have a slight problem of right here you have a whole bunch of green, and normally what I like to do with that is just go ahead and trace it out. The reason I just basically go ahead and I trace it out is so that I can draw on it later, because I'm a big fan of drawing on my own hair instead of using the hair that is already there. And you just want to go ahead, select that area, delete it as well, and do that with like all hair particles, like where the green screen is showing through, like right here and just about everywhere. So you can turn that into something a bit more like this as soon as it opens. See? So once again, I'm a big fan of drawing on my own hair. But that basically concludes our tutorial today. Once again, the hair here is a totally different tutorial altogether. One hopefully I'll be posting soon-ish. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you soon. Talk to you later.